Ever wondered which blue chip stocks are the best for 2024? Let's start with basics. Blue chip stocks, what are they? Well, imagine the stalwarts of the business world, the titans. They are well-established companies with a history of steady earnings and a powerful presence in the market. These are the businesses that have stood the test of time, weathered economic storms, and emerged stronger. These stocks are considered a safe harbor in the turbulent sea of the stock market, offering potential for long-term growth and stability. Why? Because they are companies that have proven their durability, resilience, and ability to adapt. They have a reputation, a trust built over decades, sometimes over a century, that they will not only survive, but thrive. This safety and potential for growth make them attractive to investors looking for reliable returns and steady growth. They are the blue chip stocks, the backbone of many investment portfolios. Now that you have a basic understanding of blue chip stocks, let's delve into some of the top picks for 2024. First on our list is Apple, a titan in the tech industry. When we think of innovation and cutting-edge consumer electronics, Apple is often the first name that springs to mind. From the game-changing iPhone to the sleek and user-friendly MacBooks, Apple's products have continuously set a high bar in the technology sphere. Apple's financial performance is as impressive as its product line. The company has consistently reported robust earnings, backed by solid sales and a loyal consumer base. The brand's global recognition and its ability to continually meet and exceed consumer expectations contribute to its strong financial health. But what makes Apple a blue-chip stock? Blue chip stocks are the stalwarts of the market, the tried and true investments. They represent companies that have stood the test of time, demonstrating both stability and the capacity for continuous growth. Apple ticks all these boxes and then some. It has proven its resilience in volatile markets, consistently delivering value to its shareholders. Its innovative nature fuels its growth potential, keeping it relevant and competitive in the fast-paced world of tech. Forbes, a leading global media company, recognizes these strengths and has selected Apple as one of the top blue-chip stocks for the year 2024. This recognition is a testament to Apple's unwavering commitment to innovation, its strong market presence, and its consistent financial performance. Apple's continuous innovation and financial strength make it a promising blue-chip stock for the upcoming year. Next up, we have Microsoft, a household name in the software industry. This tech titan, well entrenched in the digital world, has an impressive lineup of software products that span across various sectors. From the ubiquitous Windows operating system to the popular Office suite, their software products have become nearly indispensable in today's digital landscape. But it doesn't stop there. Microsoft has also made significant strides in the realm of cloud services. Their Azure platform, for instance, is a leading player in the cloud computing industry, offering a wide array of cloud services that cater to businesses of all sizes. This venture into cloud computing has not only diversified Microsoft's revenue streams, but also positioned it favorably to capitalize on the ongoing digital transformation trend. Financial performance? Oh, it's as consistent as they come. Microsoft has been posting strong financial results year after year, demonstrating its ability to generate steady revenue and profit. This financial consistency is a testament to Microsoft's strong business model and its ability to adapt to market changes. When it comes to market presence, Microsoft is virtually unmatched. It has a global footprint, with products and services being used by millions of individuals and businesses worldwide. This widespread use and recognition make Microsoft a formidable player in the tech industry. So why is Microsoft a top blue-chip stock for 2024? Well, it's simple. The company's diverse portfolio of high-quality products and services, its robust financial performance, and its strong market presence make it an attractive investment for those seeking long-term growth and stability. With its diverse portfolio and financial consistency, Microsoft stands strong as a top blue-chip stock for 2024. Moving forward, let's not forget about Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble. These titans of industry are not to be overlooked when discussing blue-chip stocks for the coming year. Johnson & Johnson, a multinational corporation, has a diversified portfolio in healthcare products, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. Their presence in the industry is solid, and their reputation as a reliable provider of health solutions is well established. The company's strong financial performance is a testament to its resilience and adaptability, even in the face of a changing healthcare landscape. This makes Johnson & Johnson a blue-chip stock with great potential for long-term growth and stability. Next, we have Coca-Cola, a company that needs no introduction. With a wide range of beverage brands under its umbrella, Coca-Cola has proven its ability to adapt to changing consumer preferences, maintaining its position as a market leader. Despite the challenges, Coca-Cola's strong financial performance and enduring brand presence make it a top blue-chip stock to consider for your portfolio in 2024. Finally, let's turn our attention to Procter & Gamble. This consumer goods company is known for its diverse product portfolio, which includes everything from beauty products to home care goods. Procter & Gamble's consistency in delivering quality products that consumers trust has cemented its status as a blue-chip stock. Its robust financial performance and innovative strategies highlight its potential for growth and stability in the coming years. These companies' financials, innovation, and stability make them attractive for investors seeking reliable returns and potential growth. Each of them has demonstrated resilience in the face of market changes, showing why they are considered top blue-chip stocks for 2024. So there you have it, the top blue-chip stocks for 2024. We've delved into the world of blue-chip stocks, exploring what they are and why they're seen as the stalwarts of the business world. They're the shares of well-established companies, known for their history of stable earnings, strong market presence, and a solid reputation. They provide long-term growth potential and stability that many investors seek. We've also taken a closer look at some of the top picks for 2024. Apple, with its innovative consumer electronics and robust financial performance. Microsoft, a software giant recognized for its cloud services and consistent financial prowess. And let's not forget about Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble. These companies are leading the way in their respective sectors, offering diversified portfolios and adapting to changing consumer preferences. But remember, while these companies are currently leading the pack, the world of investing is ever-changing. It's essential to do your personal research before making any investment decisions. What works for one investor may not work for another. The best investment strategy is one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Taking the time to understand the ins and outs of blue-chip stocks, their potential for growth, and the stability they offer can provide you with a solid foundation for your investment journey. But don't stop there. Keep learning, keep researching, and keep striving to make the best financial decisions for your future. And that's it for our exploration of blue-chip stocks for 2024. We hope you found this information insightful and helpful in your financial journey. Remember, the best investment is one that fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Caffeinated Money for more financial insights.